Hi everyone, today let's try to cover the harder type of fractional equation, which is the essential topic in advanced math. So here's today's question. We have to solve the following fractional equation. To get rid of the denominators, we have to multiply both sides by x minus 1 times by x plus 2. To multiply by those terms, let's just first rewrite the equation. So 3 over x minus 1 plus 2 over x plus 2 is equal to 1. Now let's try to write those terms on each side. The reason why we're multiplying those terms is we want to get rid of the denominator parts. Okay, so can you see that the parts that we can cross-cancel? So we could cross-cancel x minus 1 and x plus 2. And now let's rewrite the equation. 3 bracket x plus 2 bracket x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 times by x plus 2. Now let's try to simplify the equation by removing the brackets. So do you remember the expanding rule? So we could rewrite the equation into 3x plus 6 plus 2x minus 2 is equal to, try to expand 4 times, then x squared minus x plus 2x minus 2. Simplify those like terms, then we get 5x plus 4 equals to x squared plus x minus 2. Then the equation turns into x squared minus 4x minus 6 equals to 0. We simply need to solve for the quadratic equation. Since it cannot be factorized, we have to use the quadratic formula to solve for x. So do you remember how to use the formula? From this equation, we know that a is equal to 1 and b equals to minus 4 and c equals to minus 6. So we just have to input those values into the formula. Then x equals to 4 plus minus root 16 minus 4 times by 1 times by minus 6 over 2. Then we get 4 plus minus root 40 over 2. And don't forget that plus minus 40 can turn into 2 root 10. So we could rewrite the expression like this. But it seems like we can simplify once again, so the x result is 2 plus minus root 10. So this is the answer for today's fractional equation. New math lessons uploaded every Thursday. Subscribe and keep preparing your exams with me.